Yes, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to the first session of marketing management. And today we'll discuss the introduction part of marketing and its basic concept. Okay. So, we're waiting for everyone to join and then we'll start the session. Okay. So, Shivam and Zohan has joined today. Okay. We are waiting for us to join as well. And then we'll start the first session of this marketing management within few minutes of time. Okay. Just kindly wait for everyone to join. So today we'll discuss this basic concept. Along with, we will also cover up one case study after that. Okay. So let me share my screen and we'll start this first unit, Introduction to Marketing Management. So we are waiting for everyone to join and then we'll start the session. Okay. So I think we are waiting for a few more minutes for everyone to join and then we'll start. Okay. Just kindly wait, please. Yes, students, I think, shall we start now? I think so we should start. Okay. So like when we talk about this particular subject, and it's the very first lecture we have for this particular subject. So in this session or in this particular topic, what we're going to discuss, the first thing which we'll discuss about why is the marketing important? What is the scope of marketing we will also cover up. Along with that, we will discuss about the fundamental marketing concepts, okay, how the marketing has evolved in the recent year, and what are the necessary tasks of successful marketing management techniques. Okay, now when we discuss about this particular topic or particular point about marketing management, what is marketing? First of all, we will discuss actually. Before actually going further with this particular topic, the important thing is that the basic books which you can refer for this particular subject, which is all about Philip Cottrell. Then you can also go for Ramaswamy and Namakumari. You can go for Parrot and Ramesh Kumar as well. The basic book I'll suggest you always, always have to go for this Philip Kotler. It's the best book for this marketing management. Okay. Now, when we discuss about this particular concept marketing, student, one more thing, please kindly be interactive in this session because this marketing management is all about interactions. Okay. Now, when we discuss about this particular subject marketing, okay, what do you mean by marketing first of all? Anyone? How we can define marketing?
Sir, it is just to sell the product in all over the wherever you want to sell the product, just to enhance the quality of that product, or just to let the customer know what exactly the product is.
Very good, very good. It's just nothing but intimate the customer about the company's offering and about how the company is selling it out. Because without marketing, you would not be able to actually provide any information to the customer that what exactly the company is offering, what the company basically offer at what prices, what discounts the company is providing it to you. So basically, when we discuss about the marketing, it is all about the psychological impact on the mind of the customer whenever they are basically selecting any product and services out of the competitor. Okay, the very, very basic information about marketing. The first thing which comes under marketing is the change is the only constant in the business. What does it mean? The first point, change is the only constant in the business. What does it mean?
Means, sir, you can say like only the changing of the business is the only thing which usually constant. मतलब आप ये कह सकते हो कि हर समय जब भी business होता है तो हर within a period of time ये हमेशा change होता रहता है, like we can say like that.
Definitely, definitely. So when we talk about this particular first point, change is the only constant. Yeah, sure, sure. Please, Bhagyashri. No, Bhavyashri. Yeah. Bhavyashri, please continue. You are audible.
It's Bhavya.
Bhavyashri.
Okay. I said change is constant in the sense like for yeah. Initially, we had traditional marketing where advertisements were there, endorsements were there.
Okay.
But now everything is on digital marketing. So based on
I think Bhavya, your voice, there was a network issue at
generation
your
where
end.
time to time we need to be updated. Only then marketing is nothing but getting.
Yeah, Bhavya, I think we can understand, but I think there are some network issue at your end. No, Bhavya, actually, you are not clearly audible. So I think.
Is it clear?
No, actually, your voice is not clear at all. I think there are some network issue because when we discuss about the very first point about the change is the only constant in the business, it means that the company must always have to focus on the dynamic changes or the dynamic part of the environment, because you know that each and every day the new product is launching into the market, the new competitor entering into the market, the companies are coming up with their own strategy. So the first point is very simple, that the change is the only constant. It means that if the business want to sustain in the market, if the business want to, you could say, continue in the market, it's very, very important that you always need to cope up with the market changes in order to survive. Now, what changes or what challenges I think I could say basically it's from the competitors, it's from the product, from the government, or even when we talk about the customer taste and preferences also changes. Okay, according to that, you need to launch the product. Any example if you can quote right now about the change? Any simple example?
A simple example would be digital marketing. So, like after Corona happened, everybody turned digitally. So, like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads are working, and basically they reach targeted customers.
Yes,
Like very specific reach will be accessible, like female or male, based on gender, age, category. So
yes.
this is how it has been improved over a period of time.
Very good, very good. Thank you so much. So, like when you have only covered Bhagyashi, I think one aspect of change that is about the digital marketing. Okay, there is
Okay.
some other senses like when you talk about the changes in the customer taste and preferences, changes in the
Okay.
customer expectation. For example, you talk about you could say how the Nokia has drastically dropped down, and now how the
Correct.
Samsung and Apple has basically escalated when it's come to growth in the market. Okay,
Yes, like
how the
Nokia
Maruti.
was initially very much in eye in the market.
Definitely, definitely. How the Maruti is getting intense competition from Hyundai and other companies. That is again the change is the only constant. Means the company always must have to pull up their socks in order to understand what exactly the changes or what exactly the alteration in the strategy of the company must have to be there so that they could be able to sustain in the market for longer period of time. That is called the change is the only constant in the business. Clear, I think everyone. Any other example
Yes,
if you can quote?
yes, sir.
Perfect. Second point is yesterday walk, today out of fashion. Means what? For example, if I purchase iPhone 12 today, might be in the next month iPhone 13 will launch. That iPhone 12 value would be definitely drop down drastically. Okay.
Correct.
Yesterday fashion may be out of the fashion or out of you could say trend in the market just because of the new product advancement or new product upgradation. Clear? I think second point as well.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Firm which do not change to marketing trends are out of the business. You can see the Nokia, example of Nokia, example of BlackBerry. How these companies have actually pulled out of the market because of the not having good say sufficient innovation or not launching the product as per the requirement of the customer. Okay. So if the company will not actually fulfill the requirement of the market, definitely they may be pulled out very, very easily from the market because of the intense competition. Clear, I think everyone? Any other example, please, out of this? Any other example apart from Nokia and BlackBerry? Ajay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Swamijit.
Sir, an example like OLX and other platforms that are coming. Previously, there was a demand for old and unsold items, but recently, due to the lockdown and due to the pandemic scenario that was being caused, the platform OLX became downtrodden.
Hmm.
And if we compare OLX with the other online delivery platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, then they are in they're just having a rank in the market.
Definitely. Definitely. Very good, very good, very good. Like when we and if you remember about this, you could say example of Orkut. I think I don't know whether you remember or not. From the
Yes,
how
sir.
from Orkut we moved to Facebook, and from Facebook we moved to WhatsApp and every other platforms. So how the different companies basically which came out from the market, and because of that, because the market trend or market fashion, if you won't sustain, like you talk example of Bata, how the Bata is basically out of the trend from the market. People consider it basically very cheap product when it's come to branding. Okay, because nowadays the brands available in the market when it's come to footwear, there are drastically you could say so many brands which you'll find. Talk about Usha fans, okay, Bajaj. How these companies are basically slowly and gradually they are coming out of the market because of the coming you could say because of the entry of the foreign customers or you could say foreign companies getting entry into the Indian market. I hope so. These points are clear as well. Everyone, please kindly confirm, because make sure students,
Yes.
this subject is all about
Yes.
examples and discussion only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay.
much. Now,
Yes, sir.
marketing is an
Correct,
old
correct.
as mankind. What does it mean? Marketing is as old as mankind. What?
Like since yeah, like since a civilization started, like if any business want to be successful, it needs to have a reach to the customer. So marketing is a bridge between business and customer. So
Definitely.
yeah, like there are different kinds of marketing like since then, but marketing is the basic thing which
Inherent part we can say of any organization. Yes, Nanda Kumar, you were saying something, I think.
Sir, hello.
Yes, Somijit, please.
Sir, marketing is somewhat means it means understanding the customer. What are the needs of the customer? It's not only deal with the sales. So a main motto of a business to start or a ongoing business, if I speak about, is to understand the needs of the customer. So uh, with the help of marketing only, we'll be able to understand the needs and we can be able to provide according to it, and on these basis the profit will come out. So it is as old as mankind, because if we see from the early generation, this is being followed. The needs of the customer are being provided, and means the industries and the organization make profit.
Definitely, definitely. Like if in nutshell, if I talk about this particular, marketing is as old as mankind. Each and every company is basically focused towards their customer base. Okay, and on the base of their customer base or target customer, only they are launching the product according to that, you could say, group, or that you could say bunch of the customer available in the market. We talk about, you could say premium utility vehicles. Okay, we talk about BMW, Mercedes, recently Tesla. If we talk about, what are their marketing concept, because they are only targeting that premium segment of the customer, and they want to fulfill the desire and the requirement of those customers only. Okay, when we talk about, you could say, customer utility vehicle or customer utility, but how the Maruti is basically doing a fantastic job when it's come to zero maintenance vehicles. Okay, so always remember, each and every company, whenever they are launching any product, developing any new product, the important thing is that those products must be based on the requirement of the targeted customer only. That is called marketing is as old as mankind. Clear? I think.
correct, sir. Yes.
Perfect. Next point. Anything can be marketed. What does it mean? Anything means what?
Any product.
Yeah, any product, any services, any individual, any you could say brand, any person as well. Okay, I think so. Any country as well, any city as well. I think so. Everything can be marketed. Okay, so like even any art as well, if I'll talk about, because marketing is such a concept which is applicable not only related to the companies or the organizations. It is related to the each and every peculiar entity, even which we are facing in day-to-day life as well. Any example, with any interesting example, if you can quote. Yes, students, anyone?
It like the services to the elderly who can't go by themselves shopping or to medical centers. People offer their services also. That there's marketing involved in that also.
Definitely, definitely. Very good. What else? I think you remember a lot of things which came from the celebrity side, that they always, you could say, ensured their hair, even you could say their skin tone. Even when we talk about, you could say, uh, when we talk about any, you could say, any brand is they, if they use, okay, you heard a lot of things from these particular, you could say, fashion industry, that they even a simple or the very small things, they also every go for insurance or every go for marketing as well, because the major exposure which a particular company may receive from the celebrity is basically nothing but, even though if they are actually applying a nail paint always, Even that nail paint is also marketed because they have applied on the same. Anything can be marketed, which I'm telling you right now. Even a person can be marketed. For example, like how the celebrity endorsement is there. Okay, how the popularity of a particular celebrity comes. That is again the marketing part. How the companies are, or how the companies are promoting that product into the market. Even with art, if we talk about art, means like we talk about singing, dancing. This is again one of the type of marketing. What we're talking right now. Anything can be marketed. Always remember, even a peculiar thing can be marketed. Even a plant can be marketed. Even a lecture can be marketed.
Correct.
Okay. I hope so you understood that part.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Next one now. Significant change in field of science and technology. Again, the very, very important part. Because of the upgradation of technology only, upgradation of the innovations and this new, you could say, think tank, which we are finding nowadays in the market. Because of this particular perspective, the way the marketing actually done, or way the marketing actually is floated in the you could say environment, is very, very different. We can see that how the transition is there from the traditional marketing of newspaper, or you could say mouth publicity, has drastically changes, like what the Bhavya was discussing about digital marketing. Okay, so you can see again, this is a very, very important part about how the transition of marketing changes because of science and technology. Clear? And the marketing is the most crucial function, critical function we discussed already. And online website, internet, even social media marketing are the basic example of this particular concept. I hope so it is clear, students. What is the basic concept of marketing, first of all?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Next one now. Importance of marketing. Very, very important part, a very, very crucial discussion over here, that when we discuss about the importance of marketing, it is all about driving the revenues. Okay. How the particular product can be marketed, because if the marketing, you could say, strategy is not up to the mark, definitely that marketing strategy won't be able to create a demand of the product, because might be that customer are not aware about this, or customer may not actually like the marketing, you could say, practices or marketing strategy which the company has opted, and because of that company's revenue might be affected because of that reason. So always remember, marketing tactics, why it is important, it is directly associated with the revenue of the company. Because if the marketing tactics are not correct, the strategies are not correct, the mode of communication is not correct, in all such cases, it will drastically or directly affect your revenue or the profit of the company. Clear? I think so. Very, very simple. Yes, students, please kindly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Next one now, definition of marketing. The book is definition we'll discuss now. The first definition says that it is an activity, set of institution and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offers that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Now, first of all, they're talking about the activity. Activity is what? The mode how they can communicate. The initiative which they actually took in order to expose, in order to inform the customer about the offering of the company. Okay. Set of institutions. Set of institution is basically is all about the group of marketing companies, those who are helping the organization in order to promote their products. Now you can see that nowadays you will find so many companies nowadays, those who are actually calling you or approaching you for digital marketing. When it comes to social media, when it comes to internet, when it comes to, you could say, mass media operations. So now what the companies are doing, companies are actually focusing on this particular institution or the company, and they are approaching them in order to adopt the, you could say, the modern practices or innovative practices of the, you could say, promoting the company's product. That is called set of institutions. Then we have processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offers. Now, what creation we are talking right now? Processes of creating or for creating. What does it mean? Creating means content we are talking right now, I think so. Because recently you can see that now the IPL is about to start from 9th. And now you can see that whenever you'll open Star or any news, any you could say any television set on Star Network or even Hotstar, you will find a lot of advertisement led to IPL only. So what they are doing, the set of institution are creating the content of how the product can be marketed with the help of the IPL players and delivering and exchanging offers. Even like whatever communication or whatever you could say the attributes which they wanted to communicate, that may be delivered during that period of time of IPL. Okay. Recently today itself, you can see that the broadcasting companies are always targeting the big events. Like we talk about Olympics, we talk about World Cups, the Star Network, Sony Network. They are the big marketing agencies actually. They are actually coming up and they want to endorse all these companies so that they would have that branding with the help of all such activities or all such you could say tournaments which help in the global level. Okay, and ultimately what they target is just to have the value for customer, client, partner, and society at large. I mean, these are their target customers we are talking right now. Target customer may be their, you could say, potential customer, their client, their partner, or even we can say that society at large. Hanji, clear everyone? I think so. What is the meaning of this definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second point now. It is a process of communicating the value of a product or service to a customer. Like very simple example, once the iPhone 12 launched, you can see that how the advertisement were portrayed in front of the customer. Okay. You can see that they have actually come up with some, you could say, bionic chip. They have actually come up with a wider camera, which was not the part of iPhone 11. So they are communicating the value of product and service to the customer. And because of that value only, they can actually serve or they can actually touch the emotional aspect, or you could say the aspect because of which the customer may be enforced to purchase that product. That would be the part of your process of communicating the value of product or services. Clear everyone? I think. Any other example of this second definition? How the company communicating with the hello advertisements? You can see the advertisement of RBI or mutual fund sahi hai. What information they are communicating to the audience or to their target customer. Okay, never share your OTP, CVV, the basic communication which they want to actually approach to the customer accordingly. Okay, any other example, please? Hanji, any other example?
Sir, actually, I have a question right now.
Yeah,
Suppose RBI is saying not to share OTP, not to share your CVV number. Is just it is just considered as a marketing, or it is just as a information?
see, basically, if without marketing you cannot share information. So even though if the like mutual fund sahi hai or RBI actually coming up with all their strategies to market, because see, this is again the one of the part of marketing only, because ultimately the information, if we want to communicate to the customer, it is only with the help of marketing, and advertisement or television advertisement is a part of marketing only.
So will that mean that presently, the government saying, informing people to use hand sanitizers is an indirect way of marketing hand sanitizers?
Definitely.
Okay.
Because see, ultimately try to understand, because sharing information, diffusing information, whether it is for government or private or even for any international organization, it's all about marketing only.
Sir, so in short, we can summarize marketing is just as a sharing the information. That's it.
Information about the product characteristics, about the product disclaimers, everything is a part of marketing only.
And the need for the product.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay.
I told you, na, everything can be marketed.
Yeah.
Even like you can see that recently, like in the Bengal election, the once the particular person is getting the first dose of vaccination, you are getting a certificate with Prime Minister, and that being complained by the TMC that it is the violation of the uh, code of conduct. Okay, so that is again the price of marketing actually, because somehow you are portraying a particular national leader on a particular vaccination. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
see, whether it is direct or indirect, I'm not going in the political agenda right now in that. But the
Yeah.
thing
Yeah.
is that this is again the type of marketing. Like you can just see that how the Modi actually just cover his face with the help of that gamcha, which is called the face mask. It is a
Yeah.
fashion trend now. Okay, it's a sort of fashion now in the country.
Actually.
Okay, like how the everything. Like I'm not talking in the how he set the beard. Like you talk about Virat Kohli, how he set the beard, how he just having the tattoos. Each and everything is marketed actually.
Okay.
Like because people search on internet from where the Kohli has designed his tattoo or from where the Kohli has applied the cream, whatsoever it could be. Everything is marketed. Everything, whether it indirect, direct, doesn't matter actually. Okay, I think it's very beautiful example. I think you might have seen that movie. Uh, hmm, I forgetted that. I think it's very famous movie of Amir Khan and Rancho movie. Which movies it is?
Three Idiots.
Three Idiots. Yes.
Three
In that
Idiots.
case, the you could say the fiance of that
Yeah.
Kareena,
Kareem.
Kareena Kapoor
Yeah.
is actually marketing about the product he's wearing it out. You can see that the watch of this much cost, shoes is of
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
much cost.
Yeah.
Again, you can say
Actually.
he do not want to portray that what he's wearing, but because he just want to communicate that what exactly he's wearing it out. Again, it's sort of marketing only.
Okay. Fine.
Like even like very
Okay.
common example, if I take in front of you, like being a faculty, if I'm using some gadgets, if I'm using what I'm wearing it out, because being a faculty, being a public speaker, you're always a role model for your audience or for your student, how you communicate, how you stand, how you talk, how you speak. Each and everything would be marketed actually. And because if we won't market ourselves as well, definitely we won't be available in front of you. Okay,
Got
if,
it.
if you
Got it.
don't know how to speak, if you don't know how to give the example, if you don't know how to touch the sentiment of the audience available in the class right now, definitely it is senseless that I'm speaking over here in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very
Okay,
very
sir.
common. It's very very common actually.
Actually.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's move to the next topic. Okay, because I'm requesting everyone to attend the classes, and because this class is all about discussion only. Okay, yes. Now what is marketing management? Okay, very very simple bookish definition again we'll go for. It is art and science of choosing target markets, getting, keeping and growing customer through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. If you just break this definition, art and science, I think if you remember or if you know, there are so many marketing companies like Parle-G, Reliance, or big brands. If I'm talking right now, they always actually have there some marketing agencies, those who are creating the content on their behalf. Okay, and that content must be innovative. That content must be touchy. That content must be impactful in the mind of the customer. So it is art and science. Means someone who is creating this particular advertisement is again basically the combination of art, it's the personal skills and the science, how we can actually touch the emotions, the quotient which we need to keep in mind. That is about the art and science. About target market, means target customer, getting, keeping, growing customer through creating. Creating means what value you want to create, what positioning you want to create in the mind of the customer. Delivering it with the help of paper advertisement, e-advertisement, social media advertisement, and communicating superior customer value. Okay, because ultimately, whatever product you are delivering it out, whether the customer is satisfied or not. Because what is customer value actually? It is nothing but the price paid by the customer and the benefit, whether he or she is receiving it or not. That will actually define the customer value. And if it is matches, customer value would be very, very high. I hope so. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now, simple marketing system we are talking right now. The first is called, as you can see that it is about the industry, a collection of sellers available in the market. Those who will provide goods and services in the market, that is collection of buyers. They will definitely return pay the money to them. Now, the communication will be provided by the companies to the market with the help of communication channels. Okay, communication channels means what? Advertisements, social media, e-marketing, whatsoever. There are so many things which you can, radio, paper advertisement, so many things are there with the help of which you can communicate. Now, these communication convert in the form of information. And because the information only, the customer can purchase the product from the seller. Yes, students. Is it clear? I think very simple.
Yes, sir. Communication is the most common, important part.
Yes, yes.
So doesn't information here refer to feedback?
Not exactly feedback. It is basically
Okay.
the, like, for example, there are so many, like, for example, you are watching television with your family right now. There would be so many advertisement would come up or would come up front. Might be some of them you will take some interest. Some of them your father will might take an interest, or some of them your, you could say, your siblings would might take an interest. It depends on your choice. What exactly your target when you are watching a television. Okay, that is a communication, because communication is very open. It is open for everyone. What you perceive become your information and you approach for that. For example, if I want to purchase a car, I will see the advertisement of Maruti, Hyundai, Kia, Tata, whatsoever. It is communication. But
Yeah.
I just want to purchase the Maruti Baleno only. So Baleno is basically the information, and for that, being a buyer, I will collect the information from the company regarding Baleno. Irrespective,
Okay.
I have gone through with so many advertisements.
Okay.
So,
Understood?
sir, could we consider simple marketing system is as a closed loop system?
Like any elaboration, please?
Like elaboration means, suppose we are purchasing any of the things from the industry or whatever we want to purchase. We just purchase that thing, and then again we are giving the feedback to the companies. That is actually called simple marketing.
Definitely.
So, sir, in this respect, we can say that if we are considering the whatever we have talked earlier, like the RBI is sharing information to the customer. So
Hmm.
here, where the information part is there, matlab once if RBI is sharing the information, if RBI is marketing like don't share your OTP, then here where the information part is there.
No, first of all, let me correct you. RBI is communicating the information.
Yeah. So you are saying that that is also marketing.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Because if the RBI is communicating that part, means he
Yeah.
just want to protect their potential, you could say, not customer, I can say, but a potential audience available for that particular, you could say, advertisement. Because that advertisement might be helpful for you, but might not be, you could say, for the, you could say, that's the children in your family or
Yeah.
the member, those who are not associated with that. So that
So
is not the information for them.
yeah,
That is
so actually that actually I want to ask that, so how can we consider that as a marketing? So RBI is promoting of which product? That actually I want to ask.
No. RBI actually just not promoting. RBI is
Yeah.
actually going for a cautious approach, that what exactly the disclaimer basically he's going for. See,
Okay.
marketing does not mean you're always want to sell something.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
like for example, if they could say that any state, if we talk about that the MP has actually has a growth rate of this much or whatever, they are actually communicating the information to the people of MP. This is indirect marketing. Why so? Because they just want to attract some investor in the MP, so that for the future recruiter summit which they have, for that particular purpose, they will indirectly targeting certain groups.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Okay.
I
Fine.
think you understood.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because marketing always does not mean that you always want to sell the product. Like mutual fund
Okay.
sahi hai. Now
Yeah.
mutual fund sahi hai is the basically the website or the advertisement for the purpose to communicate the people that the mutual fund investment is always safe. There is no need to
Hmm.
worry about the market investment. But
Got it.
indirect, what they want people to enforce to purchase mutual funds.
Got it.
Understood, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Any more doubt, please? Any more query? No, I hope so.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Now, what is marketed? I told you already, everything can be marketed. Whether it's a person, it's a celebrity if you talk about,
Yes,
any
sir.
services, when you talk about education, medical, law, any goods, any places as well. Like you talk about tourism, I think so. Best example of places. Okay. When we talk about, you could say experiences, how the experiences can be marketed.
Sir, in resume, we can just market our experiences.
Yes,
Like bungee jumping, that's an
Uh,
experience that can be marketed.
definitely. Yes. Very good. What else? Like in a marketplace, I will talk about. Like for example, yes, yes. First of all, you tell me. Then I'll just give you few examples for that. Like just let me actually complete that. I think if you know that like various institutions are always actually showing their employee or their, you could say, their staff on the basis of their qualification or their experiences. Because like
Yeah.
for example, if you want to join an institution and want to take an admission in MBA, what you will see, they will actually portray in their brochure that we have this much of faculty with this much of experiences, this much of, you could say, the proportion or degrees from this institution. It is what they are doing. They are actually indirectly selling their you could say their MBA curriculum or MBA product to the customer or to the audience. That is called the experiences. Okay, one more thing if I talk about, like for example, if I visited to, like bungee jumping example, I think someone was quoting over there. If I visited to any, you could say any country or any particular place, and if I have an experiences, like for example, if I recently visited to Kerala, okay, and I have a very great experience and I've shared with my friends, that experience is basically shared with my friend is type of marketing only, because now I am enforcing them, you to go and experience or I could say feel all those you could say the pleasure which one has received after this.
Yeah, even food restaurants, like you share your experience about the restaurant, the food, the ambience. That's how Instagram blogging and all happens. So
Okay.
that's how the food restaurant gets customers. The reach is more.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Experiences, yes, very good. What else? Events, very common, I think. Events
Like a book festival.
yes, book festival, mango festival, like if we talk about in India. Then we talk about auto expo, if you know about in Dubai and in Delhi as well. Okay, so when the people do have these sort of experiences or these sort of, you could say, exposure to all such things, they can actually share their experiences, they can share their knowledge about it, and they can enforce others to actually visit once at least to those places. Like we talk about sunburn in Goa, it's very very famous. That is the type of event we are talking right now. Okay, we talk about Olympics in every 4 years, World Cup in every 4 years. These all are the events which we are talking right now. That is called the event marketing, or you could say how the events can be marketed. Clear, I think. Properties,
That is real
Like
estate now.
resorts.
yes.
Resorts.
Resorts, we can say.
Oh, you can search the flats and the real properties, the real estates like.
Yes, definitely. Real estate, like for example, if I purchase one flat in Lodha, okay, Lodha building, and I am already residing over there since last 2 years, I can
Yeah.
market that because this premise is having this much of, you could say, facilities.
In fact, right now you are marketing, sir.
I'm not deciding in Lodha actually, but I'm just giving you an
I'm just kidding.
okay. Because see, actually being a faculty, whatever example which came in my mind, I always speak up because we never prepare for an example in advance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. Properties, okay. Organization, I think very common. Organization.
Like event management company, or you market an event management company. That's basically an organization.
Any of the organization, like institutional organization, hospital, or whatever is the organization is.
Yes,
They
yes.
just market.
Any organization.
Definitely. Like even we talk about any bank, we talk about, you could say any
Even,
sector. Okay,
even IIBM also marketed themselves.
definitely. Yes.
In fact, in Insta, wherever we find on the social media.
That's good. That's good actually. So that is called organization. How the company is basically selling their product, and they are actually disseminating the information. Okay. Next one is information. How the information can be marketed. I think we recently discussed about it.
Yeah, we have already discussed it.
Yes. Yes. Ideas. Haji, ideas.
Does
Oh,
ideas come under consultation?
Consultation and also the institution or the technical institutions ideas.
Yes. You heard about startups, I think, like you
Yeah,
Ped,
actually.
I think, Pedman. The idea to actually prepare that sanitary pads with the help of very cheap resources.
Yeah.
And how the business, it's basically nothing but the movie actually things we're talking right now. But idea is nothing but basically like any concept in someone's mind, but that how this particular idea would be executed, or you could say the startup, you could say angel financing. We
Yeah.
talk about, I think, what do I remember right now? Angel financing and one more thing. I didn't remember right now. That is, you could say the investors are there, those who are actually giving their financial support to all those, you could say, a group or small organization to actually nurture themselves at a higher level. Angel financiers. Okay, that is called again the sharing of idea, how the idea can be marketed, and for that idea only, their company actually have a boom because of the financial support from the different institutions. Idea.
Yes.
Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
I think this part is clear. What is marketed?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, who markets? Ultimately, you can see on the left hand side, there's a marketer. Okay, like doctor, education, the sales personnel, even construction team. You can see that. Now, the marketer actually having different prospect as well. Doctor having different prospect, teacher having different prospect, salesman having different prospect. The prospect basically based on these four major criteria: attention, purchase, donation, and vote. I'll give you this example now. When we talk about the marketer means all those companies, those who are willing to sell their product or services into the market to the prospective client or potential client. Okay. Now, first and foremost thing, you have to focus on the attention part. How the attention can be created. Attention in terms of attraction, or you could say the stars, or you could say USP of the company, because of which the customer will attract irrespective of the competitors in the market. Like very simple example about Apple. How the Apple has actually created the attention of the youth. Okay. Or even you can say when it's come to different age or different age group people, if you talk about, the attention toward Apple is very, very high as compared to any other product in the market right now when it's come to mobile sectors. Okay. What any other example when it comes to attention? Anji. Like we talk about the example of, you could say, Whitehead Junior. Recently during pandemic, what happened? These company has actually promoted like anything. Ki if their child don't go for Whitehead Junior, they cannot succeed in their life. That they sort of from actually attention they have created in the mind of the you could say parents. Okay, and you can see that the enrollment status of Whitehead Junior had drastically increased during that pandemic time. Okay. Yes, friends. Same will have talk about Byju's. Okay. How the Byju's basically started from the very basic level, but how the business has expanded, the attention which they have created in the mind of the customer. Okay. It is called attention. Because in order to convert your leads, in order to convert your potential customer into a lead or into the final customer, you have to create the attention first. Once the attention has been created, the customer will willing to purchase that. And if he is willing to purchase, he will donate. Donate means he will pay the amount actually for that, because he is ready to pay the amount for that services or product. And ultimately, he will actually vote. Vote means basically he will rate the product. He will actually give the review of the product after that. So always remember, the response may be attention, purchase, donation, and vote. अब कुछ customer, like for example, if we talk about like any, you could say marketing, it is being launched. iPhone 12 has been launched, but it is might be possible they have created attention for some people, but those people do not have the affordability to purchase. So they have only response till attention only. But a person having affordability, they can go for purchase as well, donation as well, and vote as well. I hope so it is clear. Who markets?
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Everyone, is it clear? I think this response,
Yes,
attention,
yes.
purchase, donation, and vote.
Okay, sir. Yes, it is clear.
Okay, perfect. So now I think we are going for a short break of 10 minutes, and we'll get back to you at 6 o'clock sharp. Okay. Yes, students, shall we start now? I think. Okay. So now we'll go for a very simple exercise that is of true or false. Okay. We have discussed these 2 markets. Now we are going for this. Whether the following 4 statements are true or false. If true, reason. If false, reasons, please. Everyone, I think so. Everyone is back. And is my screen visible? I think so to everyone.
Okay, sir.
Let's start with the first part right now. Marketing is a continuous relationship building process.
True.
Yeah, it's true. It's very simple.
So true.
Yes, yes.
True.
True.
Why it is a continuous building process? What is the basic purpose behind this? Retention of the customer.
Yes.
Okay, because if you want to create the brand building, because building of a brand, it is basically an ongoing process. Somehow you can see the example of Nestle, if you can quote over here, how the Nestle image was hampered because of that lead content issue. Okay, and somehow the retention of the Nestle, still if you can see that even the lead content was there, but the people are used to in such a manner that actually they have you could say a blind trust on that particular brand. Okay, we talk about Dettol, continuous relationship building process. Colgate, if we talk about, they are the major example which we talk about how these brands has actually intensely diffused in the mind of the customer when you talk about Indian society. Any other example?
Coca-Cola.
Yes, Coca-Cola. Definitely.
Haldiram's also, sir.
Amazon, yes, very good. What else? Tata. Everyone, like there are so many companies are there. Those are actually very, very famous in the Indian market. Okay. Clear, I think so, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Second point now. Concept of exchange is the central idea behind marketing.
True.
Yes, definitely. It's true as well. Example. Concept of exchange is central idea behind marketing.
By saying the concept of exchange, actually here it is meant the profit. I mean, means by maintaining the demand of the customer and by maintaining the threshold value of the organization.
Definitely, definitely. So any example like Somajit, if you can explain me? Concept of exchange.
Sir, previously you said about some mobile brands, some new brands which are according to the demands of the customer. So their ranking means if we say about them, then they are ranking in terms of the popularization and the requirement, and the profit also when they make is comparatively more because they could provide the customer's demand. So there this is the concept of exchange. By giving the facilities we are gaining.
Perfect, perfect. Any other example, please? Concept of exchange.
Examples like Microsoft, HP, Hewlett Packard.
Mm-hmm. Yes, anyone else about this concept of exchange?
Sir, still I have a doubt what actually concept of exchange is.
Yeah, definitely. Because actually, I didn't actually proceed further because of something we're talking about. Because concept of exchange is all about how a particular idea may be converted into reality. Okay. Okay. Idea when we talk about Bisleri, how the concept of that Bisleri came into the market, and each and every individual having their own water bottle. Because the issue was with Bisleri was that if a particular person is purchasing 20 rupees of Bisleri bottle, which is being exchanged by so many people. Okay, but just what the company actually coming up with the idea so that they can reduce the size of the bottle to 10 rupees so that it would be individualistic to everyone, because this was a major problem in India. Okay, that is you could a concept of exchange, because that idea how it can be, you could say, implemented in reality, That's a central idea behind marketing. And if you understood that idea, definitely you can win the market share, or you can actually have a market growth. Okay. Recently, if you can see that
The mobile phones,
how you can elaborate, please? I think Anu sir.
just like so many online sale, na, this exchange, the mobiles.
No, I think we are going in some other direction, Mr. Anuj.
Yeah.
The concept of exchange is basically all about how the idea is basically there, or concept is there.
Means suppose we can talk about like Lay's and Kurkure 15% extra. It's just like that.
Okay, definitely. I think what Somit is, I think now you understood actually what the meaning of concept of exchange, because I think we were diverting in some other direction. Particular topic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Concept of exchange simply nothing but the company must need to understand the requirement of the market first, and once they understood the requirement of the market, then actually they can proceed further when it's come to implementation of those strategies. Okay.
So whether it means that the concept of exchange, sir, is it means that means having profit means according to the customer's need, because more will be able to provide the customer's need, then more will be able to make profits or gain, because they are directly proportional to each other. So is it mean that?
No. Actually, we are talking about concept of exchange. It means that once the actually idea or a particular need which is being assessed by the company, that concept of exchange or concept can be exchanged or implemented, we can say, in the reality or in the market by some, you could say, product or services, or by some alteration in the company.
But just like a Flipkart, this is the marketing, sir. This is the exchange idea is given, na, sir. It is implemented, sir. It is implemented.
Okay. Yes.
Amazon, Flipkart, they will give so many things, the exchange offer.
Definitely.
The idea.
Yes, Mr. Anuj.
Or this is the marketing. This is the already marketing, because the idea of the marketing.
Definitely. Well, I think we are discussing about context of this particular concept of exchange. I think so. One is all about understanding the needs and implementation, and one is all about how out of this. Mr. Chandra, kindly mute yourself. Yes. Yes, I think. Is it clear, students? Second point, concept of exchange in two contexts. Everyone, please.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Third point, human needs are limited.
False.
Really false.
False, but sir,
False.
it is merely means controversial in nature, because sir, to some extent, if we speak about certain materials, human needs can also be limited, but most of the materials, the human needs are not limited, they're unlimited in nature.
Yeah.
No, actually, sir, human needs, sir, there's a like he said, it's controversial. Human needs are limited. Human wants are not limited.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly. Ma'am.
Point actually, because there's a difference between needs and wants when it comes to economics. Okay, so needs are basically limited when we talk about like a particular person may need, could say, a proper food, good quality of food, and definitely what they need. But the wants may be to actually have that food in 5-star, in 3-star, in a dhaba, or in a, we could say, local restaurant.
Yes.
If that may be the
Yes.
want, but wants may be only food
Yes.
if you have a purchasing power.
Yes, sir.
So that is the concept of economics. Yes, because economics, I think, will start in the next month, 1st of May, the next subject you have. Okay. Haji. So human needs are limited. I think everyone, it is clear. It's a false.
Yes, sir. Clear.
The situation where the customer is totally unaware about the existence of a product is referred to as a negative demand situation.
False.
Why?
It is more of a negative marketing situation.
Any example? I think, Sujata?
Demand, there could be a demand, like I would want something, but I am not aware that that something is available in the market.
Any example?
like say I'm looking for a particular face cream. I want a particular face cream, with certain composition, but then I don't know, or maybe a face cream that's available abroad, but I don't know it's available in our country. So that is a negative marketing situation and not a negative demand situation.
Yes, definitely. It's not negative demand. It is basically all about the company's inability to aware the customer about its availability.
Yes.
So that is not a negative demand, first of all, because negative demand is very different concept. Okay, when it comes to economics. Okay, so definitely it's a false statement. It is basically inability of a company, or you could say the lacuna in this strategy of the company in order to, you could say, not reaching the customer, not reaching the potential customer, I would say, I think so, in this case.
Yes.
That is called the,
Yes.
that is not negative actually demand, or even not negative marketing actually. It is altogether a very different concept with the lacuna in this strategy of the company. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I think it's a very simple exercise we have. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think we are moving. Not today for this particular case. We are going to the case study right now. Okay. So from tomorrow, definitely we'll continue with the key customer market, then markets and co-marketing concepts. So many things are there. But make sure kindly attend the classes regularly so that we have that healthy discussion on such topics. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have one question.
Please, please.
Sir, in economics, do you have numericals also? Means according to the syllabus?
I think as of now, I don't have the updated syllabus, but like last year when I have taken the classes for economics, we have some numericals as well, law of elasticity of demand and supply.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that will let you know. Okay, once we'll start,
Okay.
because in this month we'll complete this marketing management with some case studies, some activities in the classes, and the 1st of May we'll start the economics.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Okay, fine. So I'm just sharing one case study with you. Again, I think I have the email ID of majority of the student. Mr. Anuj, I have your email ID. Who else we have in the class? Those email IDs already there with me.
Sir,
Yes,
my
sir.
email ID is there with you, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, my email ID is there with you.
So please check mine. My name is Bhavya.
No, I think I have already shared the previous OB classes email. Okay, organization behavior mails. Okay, do one thing, just go one by one. I think so. Those who were in the previous class of OB, I think so. Please tell me first.
Sir,
Anuj?
I was there.
Yeah, please, please. Haji. Yes, I think we can start one by one. I hope so. It's for, but because daily I have to send one case study to you, so I have the database available for your email IDs. Please, please. One by one, we can start.
So, I'm Bhavya. My email ID is BHAVYA.
BHAVYA. JC.
Yeah, 39 @gmail.com.
I'm repeating once again. BHAVYA. J for jug, C for catch, 39 @gmail.com.
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
So myself Rahul Saw,
Yes.
and my mail ID is Saw Rahul.
Ek minute.
SHAW.
One minute.
SHAW.
SHAW.
Rahul RAHUL. 202 @gmail.com.
202 @gmail.com.
Thank you.
Hanji, next.
Sir, myself Shivam Harsh. SHIVAM.
SHIVAM.
HARSH.
Hanji.
HARSH Harsh.
Okay. Shivam Harsh.
0124
01.
@gmail.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Next.
Hi sir, this is I am Chandrabhushan Singh. My email ID is cbkusinagar003.
Please repeat once again. C.
B. Chandrabhushan, C. B. Kushinagar, KUSHINAGAR
हाँ
003
हाँ
@gmail.com.
perfect, thank you. Next.
Jeva.
Yeah, I think your email
Yeah,
ID.
myself.
Okay.
Jeva, I think. Yeah, Jeva POOL @gmail.com.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next.
Myself, Joseph Daniel.
So Shabana.
Shabana, I think with me. Shabana Sultana Sayyid. Student,
Joseph Daniel.
just please mute everyone. I think it's very disturbing. Everyone, please mute yourself. And
Sir, I'm Joseph Daniel.
yeah, Johan, just give a minute of time, please. Okay.
Okay.
Bhavya, please kindly mute. Okay. And Vinod, please, you too. Yeah, Johan, please tell me.
Yes, sir. My name is Joseph Daniel.
Okay.
Joe Danny. JOE.
JOE.
JOE. J for JOE. Danny. DANI. 1981 @gmail.com.
Okay. JOEDANI.
Yes, sir. 1981.
1981.
@gmail.com.
I'm repeating once again, I think. JOEDANI 1981 @gmail.com.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next.
Okay, thank you.
Chandrabhushan, Diljit Singh, I think. Then Jeva is done. Johan has done.
Yes. Have you got mine?
Yeah, Diljit, please tell me.
It's DJS, D for David, J for Juliet, S for Sugar, BIND, B for Bravo, I for India, N for Nancy,
Student,
for David,
Diljit, I couldn't hear you.
So it's DJS, D for David, J for Juliet, S for Sugar,
DJS.
Bindra, BIND, B for Bravo, I for India, N for Nancy, D for David, I for Romeo, A for Alpha, Bindra, @hotmail.com.
@hotmail.com. DJS BINDRA
Yes, sir.
Next, please. Soni Kumari, I think.
Soni.
She's already there with me.
Yeah. Hello.
Soni Kashyap 2.
Yes, sir. 1112
Perfect. I have already your email ID. Yes. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Poonam, I think your email ID is also there with me.
Myself is also there, na, Anuj?
Anuj, yes, I have already added you very first, actually.
Okay.
Miss Poonam, I think, what's your email ID?
Yes, sir.
Miss Poonam, what is your email ID?
Ragoliwal.poonam@gmail.com.
Ragoliwal.poonam@gmail.com.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
I'm Komal Rajput. My mail ID is rajput.komal.
Rajput.komal
7838
@gmail.com.
Perfect.
Thank you. Aji. Anyone else who is left out now?
So myself,
Hello,
Raksha.
sir.
Yeah, Raksha, I think your email ID is already there. Let me confirm first, but still. Raksha Sweet10 @gmail.com.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir.
Hello, sir. I'm Lalitesh Sharma.
Yes. Your email ID, please.
My email is ID Lalitesh Sharma.
LALITE.
SH.
Yes.
Sharma SHARMA FZD.
Hanji.
FZD.
FZ&D. Okay.
Yes. 1997.
1997. 1997.
Yes. @gmail.com.
I'm repeating once again. Lalitesh Sharma ZD.
Yeah.
It is Z, na? Z for zebra.
ZZ.
G.
No, sir. F for fish and Z zebra and D dog.
Fine. Perfect.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, Vinod, please tell me.
Vinod Jambekar1984@gmail.com.
Please slowly. VINOD, Vinod.
JAMBEKR.
JAMB. Yes.
BEKAR. Jambekar.
Okay. JAMBEKR.
1984@gmail.com.
198.
How? 1984@gmail.com.
84. Okay, 1984 @gmail. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else, please? I hope so all done. Because I need this data only for one day. Rest definitely I'll just share case study prior to the class only. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, please.
I am myself Nikita. I'm pending with the mail ID.
Yeah, please tell me.
It's Nikita89.
Nikita89.
Arya.
ARYA.
Yes, @gmail.com.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Anji, anyone else?
So would it be nice to do it on a WhatsApp? I mean, just a suggestion. I mean, because we'll be all handy with the form.
Yeah, Diljit, we can, but I think from the institute it is not allowed, I think, to create one WhatsApp group, I think so. That's the reason actually.
Certainly, sure.
Yeah, sure. Anji, anyone else who's left out, I think? If not, then I'm sharing this case study now. The very first case study on the basic concept of marketing. Okay, so I have total 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Gmail IDs, sorry, email IDs.
Hello.
Ravi Kumar, please tell me.
हाँ सर, रवि कुमार सूरत से बोल रहे हैं.
What's your email ID, please?
email ID सर RAVIKR CHAURASIA1996
RAVI Ravi KR.
हाँ.
Ravi Kumar it is or Ravi KR only?
Ravi KR.
Okay, Ravi KR.
Chaurasia CHAURASIA 1996
1996.
हाँ.
Once again, please. Wait a minute. It is RAVI CHAURASIA
1996
Okay, fine. Perfect. All done, I think.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please. Done, na? Sure. Please now. Just a minute, I'm sending. Yes, friends, I've sent that that particular case study. From tomorrow, definitely I'll share the case study in advance. Yes, I think. Bhavya, you have any doubt, I think?
Yeah, classes are there every day, right? So at 5 p.m.
Yeah, every day, that is from Monday to Friday, 5 to 7. Okay. And
Okay.
Saturday, we have doubt clearing session from 5 to 6.
Okay.
With the same
But
idea.
okay. This is the part of first semester, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I missed out the classes starting behavior and
No. Students, I hope so. Everyone received the Gmail, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please kindly go through with that case study now, and we'll discuss this case. Okay.
Hello.
Bhavya, your voice is clear. Student, I think I have already given my ID and my you could say you could say my WhatsApp as well. So you can just approach me if you have any query in the advance. Okay. So you can just contact me on in the email. I've already mentioned my number and my ID as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. So you can contact me through WhatsApp, through Instagram. Okay, you can connect with me. We can discuss your queries anytime if you have. Okay. Yes, please go through their case study now. It's a very, very basic and simple case study about the marketing, how the marketing has changed or how the marketing has evolved actually drastically since few decades because of the reason of that as well. Okay. Especially for small companies, we are talking about in this case. So giving you 10 minutes of time for that. Okay, please do it. Yes, friend, is it done, everyone? This case study, I think it's very, very simple case, which we are discussing right now. The evolution of the marketing for the small companies. Is it clear, I think, students? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now from tomorrow, yeah, what I will do, I'll share the case study, I think, in the afternoon only, so that like when we have a classes, you can actually go through in advance and we can discuss the case study very, very properly during the class timings. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. So any more query from today's session, please, to anyone? Yes, students, any more doubt? No? Perfect. So we'll catch you tomorrow at the same timing, I think so. Just join by the same link, students. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone, and please keep in touch. Okay, take care, please.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
take care.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Bye-bye.